Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2021 Lincoln Aviator? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box protects and distributes power to essential components like the cooling fan, ignition coils, and fuel system. It ensures safe and reliable operation by preventing electrical overloads or short circuits. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box controls and protects circuits for interior features such as the power windows, infotainment system, interior lights, and climate control. It helps ensure safe and stable operation of the vehicle's cabin electronics.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement, Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.